everyone. Welcome to Mentors for IAS. This is a very unique initiative as far as the mentoring in the UPSC civil service examination field is concerned. So here we try to handhold the students in the journey of the civil service examination, be it prelims, mains, or interview. We are going to help you right from the strategy to content to the answer writing to whatnot. As part of this, we are conducting few sessions with respect to answer writing and essay writing, even the ethics writing. So here, I'll be explaining you few of the nuances of essay. As part of that, first, I will be telling you about the brainstorming, importance of the brainstorming as far as the essay is concerned. Over the period of years, over a decade, I have seen the people in the examination hall during my examination that in the first 5 minutes itself, the aspirants will start writing the essay. So we have been given 1.5 hours to write essay, and we have around 1,200 words. These 1,200 words can be written only in 1 hour or less than that. So this half an hour, the extra what we have, this has to be properly utilized for the brainstorming, planning, and structure. When we start writing from the word go in the very first minute of the examination, we end up in writing 2 or 3 pages, which is coming to our mind or which is stored in our short-term memory, and we write very well in that. But we have to sustain for 1,200 words. That is a challenging task. For that, rather than writing in the initial 1 hour, we have to plan for half an hour. So that plan consists of the brainstorming first. No matter how general is the essay topic or how unorthodox is the essay topic, we have studied about it, we have read about it, we have heard about it one or the other way in our entire curriculum, and we have certain way of understanding that topic, and also we have certain ways of producing few words, that is around 1,200 words. It is not a big task if we plan properly. So 1,200 words, it's of, let's say, around 12 pages we have to write. So 12 pages, that means we should have around 15 paragraphs, 15 paragraphs, or let's say we should have around 8 to 10 different ideas on which we can build the essay. I will discount introduction, conclusion, and all other important parts like the thesis statement, keywords, all that thing I'll discount. I will stick only to the body part, which will contain around 8 to 10 ideas. And even if you are a genius and you have many things in your short-term memory and you remember all of them and you are going to write them, but you cannot arrange them properly if you don't plan. So what does this brainstorming means? So it's a 360-degree thinking. It is as random as a storm. So you have to allow your brain to work like that. Let the feelings, let the ideas, let the observations, let the teachings hit your mind, and you go on enumerating those points. Don't write those points as you write point wise, because here your brainstorming will not be very broad. It will get very narrowed down. So that is why I would tell that your brainstorming should be as random as possible. Whatever that comes to your mind, single word, a phrase, a sentence, a data, or a saying, quote, whatever that comes to your mind, you just go on writing in a random manner without thinking of writing them in a line or arranging them. So this is what is the brainstorming. So 360-degree thinking. So this will have all aspects. It will contain some of the cultural aspects, historical aspects, economic, polity, so many things will come because your mind is trying to think 360-degree. If you are not able to think like that, so there are many ways, like pose WH questions to yourself. WH questions, why, what, when, where, how, all that thing. So if you can answer why, what, when, where, how, all that thing, then you have those many points, 6 to 7 points you will generate. Then go from the angle of history. So that is past, present, and the future. You will get around 3 points. Then you go for the local, the situation, then the regional situation, maybe the situation at the state, then the national, then at the international level. You will get another few points. But this is a very mundane way of brainstorming the things. So I would tell you to do the brainstorming like this. So whatever that comes to your mind, try to enumerate that. If it is not possible, then go for these things. And we have one more thing, like social, economical, political, cultural, technological, many things, ethical, so many things. So this is one subscale. So we have this approach very much implemented in our answer writing. So you can brainstorm like that also, but that looks very mundane. So let the brainstorming happen like this. And here you are not restricting your mind. So that is why you are not writing in a line. So you are putting them on a paper, because the first thought should not disturb the second, second should not disturb the third. So they are independent thoughts. And somewhere around 5 minutes you have to give, because after 5 minutes we have many other like steps to make this random brainstorming into an essay. So there is a lot of process. So you have to brainstorm for 5 minutes, or even 10 minutes would be fine if you are very much okay with like structuring. Then after this, we'll try to select one of the best points from here, because we are going to brainstorm around 15 to 20 points in 5 minutes, but you cannot accommodate all these 15-20 points in the essay. So better you filter very important, very relevant, and very valuable points from there, and try to structure them, or take one point after another and try to put them. Again, how do you arrange these 8 to 10 points? First point is what, second point is what, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is what is your, I would say, this is what is your ordering. So nobody else decides for you. You only have to decide why you are putting that point as the first and second one as the second. So nobody will question you. But at the end of the essay, there has to be a proper flow. So this is how, like brainstorming will take center stage. Or before you start writing on your pen, on your paper with your pen, you have to do the brainstorming. You have to select very good points among them. Then you have to start writing. So similar to these things, we are going to discuss many nuances of the essay writing. So stay tuned with us and follow us on Mentors for IAS. We are going to help you in all the aspects of this examination. Thank you. Thank you very much.